What's going on, guys? My name is Miss Birch. Welcome back. We're talking about more math. Are you ready? Yes, I know you are. And just as always, we're going to start by reading our standards and our objectives. So let me share my screen. All right. So our standard, same as before, we're going to be fluently adding and subtract within 20, demonstrating fluency for addition and subtraction within 10. Use strategies such as counting on, making 10, and decomposing a number leading to 10 and more. Right. And now for our objectives. Remember, I go first, then we say it together. So I can fluently subtract by 2s, 3s, and 5s. Ready? Together. I can fluently subtract by 2s, 3s, and 5s. Perfect. I can use drawings to find my answer. Our turn. I can use drawings to find my answer. And last one, I can subtract with numbers within 20. Altogether, I can subtract with numbers within 20. Nice job. All right, so now that we know what our objectives are for the week, or I'm sorry, for the lesson, now that we know what our objectives are for the lesson, let's get into our math fluency. We're going to do the same thing we did last time. We're going to be counting by 2s, 3s, and 5s. We did it up until about 20 from some of them. Let's see if we can go further. So how about for counting by 2s? Let's go to 40. Think you can do it? Let's give it a try. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Nice job. All right, let's see if we can count down. You ready? 40, 38, 36, 34, 32, 30, 28, 26, 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Awesome job. All right, so let's go by 3s now, and let's go to around 40 as well. Let's see where we get to. All right, you ready? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42. Whoa, that was tough. Let's try going backwards. 42, 39, 36, 33, 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0. Nice job. All right. Well, the other thing we got to do is count by 5s. How about 2? We did 50 last time. Should we go for 100? I think we should go for 100. You ready? Oh, ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Nice job. All right, last one. Let's go all the way back down. 100, 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0. Oh my gosh, we did it. That was really tough. I'm really proud of you for sticking with it. I can tell you're practicing, and I don't want you to stop practicing. Perfect. So let's get into our lesson. We've been working with a lot of subtraction. The last time we saw each other, we made number bonds. We broke them apart. We found out what our total was. We took 9 away. Seems pretty simple. So let's get back into it. Starting off with our amazing word problems. Let's hit it. Let me show my screen. And we're going to get started. Let me show myself. There I am. All right, let's read it. Okay. So, Julian has 7 markers. His mother gives him 8 more. He loses 9 markers. How many does he have left? Okay, well, Julian, what are you doing? Where's the 9 markers? That doesn't seem very nice. But let's get back to the math. All right, anyways. So, let's brainstorm. What do I need to know? What information is important? What is a strategy that we've been working with that would work right now? What is my number sentence going to look like? Get that brain going? The brain juice is flowing? All right, I'm going to read it one more time. Julian has 7 markers. His mother gives him 8 more. He loses 9 markers. How many does he have left? All right, so I'm going to come back. I'm going to grab my trusty whiteboard. All right, so Julian has 7 markers. And his mother gives him 8 more. And he loses 9. All right, so he starts with 7, he gets 8, and he loses 9. What's a strategy we could do to help us find our total? We need to find what we're subtracting 9 from, right? What should we do? Should we do counting on? Should we draw pictures? I like drawing pictures, so I'm going to do that. So what I'm going to do is under 7, I'm going to draw 7 circles. Ready? 1. I'm going to scooch this guy over. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. We got 8 over here. So, wait a minute. Can we keep grouping in 5s? So I could draw my 8 circles over here. Can I add them to create a tens frame? Nice. So that's what I'm going to do. 7 here. Let's create our full tens frame. We got 1, 2, 3. Then we'll bring it over here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know that this is a full 10 for our tens frame. How many are outside the box? 10. Let's count on. Select in your brain. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You have 5 outside, so our equation turns into this. You have 15 total. So wait, if this is 10 plus 5, what's the answer to this? It's the same thing, right? So all we did was make our drawing look like this. So we had 7 over here, 8 over here. We've made our full 10s, right? So our total is 15. So are we done? Is this an addition problem or is it a subtraction problem? It's a subtraction problem. So I'm going to make some room. So now, what is our new equation going to look like? We're going to take our total, or our whole, and then we're going to subtract. How many are we subtracting? 9. Nice job. So, what should we do to our drawing? Let's cross them off. Let's cross off 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 15 minus 9 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. All right. Nice job. Excellent start on that word problem. Excellent job. Excellent job on that word problem. Now, what would happen if this wasn't 15? What if we made it into, and let me erase it. What if instead of 15 minus 9 equals 6, we changed our 15 to be 16 minus 9? What would that equal? What's different between these two problems? These numbers, right? One is smaller by 1, right? And one is bigger. So what would that do to our answer? If this is the same, how would this being changed to 16 change our answer? It would be 1 more. Did you guys see how I did that? Because we increased from 15 to 16, our answer is gonna increase from 6 to 7. Should we double check our work? All right, let's draw out 16. So if we go like this, we got 10 and 6 because of our 10 plus math. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Then we cross off 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if one of our addends is the same, and these two only went up by 1, it's going to increase our answer by 1. Nice job. All right. So we talked about a lot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a little tiny trick. So if you are wanting to go get some food or go have some fun or talk to a friend or talk to a family member or pet your cat or your dog or whatever kind of animal you got, go for it. I'm going to give you about 5 seconds to make up your mind. If not, that's okay. Stay with me. Ready? All right, let's get started. Welcome back if you did pause it. You missed. But let's get started. So now we're just going to be practicing our we're just going to be practicing some more with subtracting 9 and subtracting that way. So let's keep going. So the first one I'm going to give you, I'm practicing with this a lot last time. 13 minus 9. What is the first thing we're going to do? I think we're going to take our 13. We're going to draw a circle around it. We're going to turn it into a number bond. What's the easiest way to make our number bond? What number can we put in here? 10. Nice job. And 10 plus what equals 13? 3. Nice. So, let's draw out our picture. Ready? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 3. 2, 3. So we have 13 total. What are we going to do? We're going to subtract 9, so let's cross off 9. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 13 minus 9 equals. Nice job. All right, but what if my equation went from 13 minus 9 to 12 minus 9? Remember what we talked about in the very beginning? These two items are the same. Is 12 larger or smaller than 13? Smaller. By how many? 1. Nice job. So is our answer going to increase by 1 or is it going to decrease by 1? It's going to decrease. So it's going to be not 4, but 3. Should we double check our answer? I say let's do it. Let me clear up my board and rewrite it. We have 12 minus 9 equals 3. We should always double check our work. So, do the number bond. 10 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2. And then we cross off 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do we have left? 3. Nice job. All right, so now let's do another one. What do you say? I think so. All right, so this one I'm going to give you is 18 minus 9. What are we going to do first? We're going to draw another bond. Nice job. And what goes in the first part of our number bond? 10. Okay, so that means how many? 10 plus what equals 18? Because of our 10 plus math facts that we love so much, we know that 10 plus 8 equals 18. Let's show our picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's show our 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Then what? We subtract by 9. Nice. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 18 minus 9 equals 9. Nice job. But now, what if I change our equation to be 19 minus 9 equals what? What changed? Our first added. It went from 18 to 19. Is 19 bigger than 18 or is it smaller than 18? It's bigger. By how many? 18, 19. It's bigger by 1. Did anything change with these ones? No. So if we know that 18 minus 9 is 9, and we increase this added by 1, subtracted by the same added as over here, is our answer going to be bigger or smaller than this? It's going to be bigger. By how many? By 1, just because this one went up, right? So if we know that 18 minus 9 equals 9, 19 minus 9 equals 10. Nice job. All right. All right, let's do another one. You guys are crushing it. All right, let's do 17 minus 9. All right, you tell me what to do. Draw a number bond. Okay. Then what? Put a 10 in this one. Could I put it in this one? I could. But I kind of like it on this side. But you could put it on either side, whichever one you want. All right, 10. And then what should we put in this one? 10 plus what equals 17? 7. Nice job. Okay, now draw 10 circles. That I can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. Then 7 circles. I can do that as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. So now what? Subtract by 9. How are we going to show that? We can cross off 9 circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, okay. So 17 minus 9 equals 8. Now, what if I changed it to 15 minus 9? What would that equal? What's different? Okay, so this number is different. Oh, by how many? Is it bigger or smaller than 17? What number is this? 15? Is it bigger or smaller than 17? It's smaller. By how many? By 2. Okay, remember that, 2. If it's smaller by 2, did this number change? No, this is the same. And then our answer up here was 8. What's the difference going to be between these two? It's going to be 2 less, because this one was brought down by 2. This is the same. This is going to be not 8, but 6. Awesome job, guys. All right. So now, all right. So now I got one more for you. What? It's 2 parts. I know. Sounds heavy. It's not going to be that hard, though, because I believe in you guys. So I'm going to show it on my screen. I'm going to give you 3 minutes to figure it out. I'm going to set a timer for 3 minutes. And you're going to do the same steps, step by step, what you did with me right now, by yourself. And if you need that extra time, pause the video. Take your time. No rush. I'm in no hurry. I just want you guys to learn. But if you do want that added challenge of being timed, go for it. Ask whoever's around. Time yourself. But we can do it. All right. So here we go. Let me share my screen. I'm going to explain it before we go. All right. So I'm going to read the directions. It says, show making 10 and taking from 10 to complete the two number sentences. So see, we have part A right here, and we have B right here. Oh my gosh, I was joking. There's 3 parts of this. So you're going to solve A by drawing pictures. You're going to solve B by drawing pictures. And then you're going to go to number 11 right here. And it says, make a number bond for problem 10. Write 2 additional number sentences that use this number bond. All right. You think you got it? All right. I'm going to set the timer for 3 minutes. Ready, set, go. All right, we're about a minute in. Keep it up. All right, we're more than halfway. Okay, we got about 30 seconds left. How you doing? Okay, we got about 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. All right. Let me share my, or stop sharing my screen. Hello. All right. So the first one, right? A said 5 plus 9. And then B said 14 minus 9. Okay, this is where we start off. What did you do to solve 5 plus 9? Think back to what have we learned in the past? What have been some past lessons that about? What can we do to help us solve this? We could count on. You could just draw pictures. What about using a friendly 10? I think that's a good idea. So how are we going to do that? I would circle the 5. And if you solve this another way, no worries. This is just the way I'm going to pick. And then we split up. We put 1 over here, because this will make our family 10. And 4 over here. Right? Perfect. Right? So then we have our friendly 10. And then what turns into 10 plus we use this, we use this, we use this. It's 4. And because of our math facts, we know that this is 14. Nice job. So 5 plus 9 equals 14. Did you get this? Awesome. So if you got 14, this one should be super easy, right? Because if we have 14 as our total, we subtract 9, what do you think our answer is going to be? Should we draw it out? We know that this has 10 and 4, so we could split this up. 10 and 4. Let's draw our pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to subtract 9. Let's cross off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you get that as your answer? So 14 minus 9 equals 5. 5 plus 9 equals 14. You see what we've been talking about? Just because the 14 is on the other side of the equation sign, that doesn't mean that these two add-ins are still going to be factual. They're still going to work. Perfect. So then, the last thing it said, and guess what? We already did it. It said to create a number bond for problem 10, which was what we just worked on. What did you do? You put 14 up here, and then you put 9 right here, and 5 right here. Nice job. Then it also asked for 2 other number sentences. So what's another number sentence that we could use? We could do 10 plus 4 equals 14, right? Because it's the same, we get the same answer. It's just a different number sentence, right? Awesome. What's one more? What about 8 plus 6? Or 7 plus 7? Those both work too. Awesome job. I'm so proud of you guys today. This was some tough and interesting stuff. It's stuff we've been working with, but not on this level. So I'm really proud of you guys for sticking with it and keeping up and getting the work done. That's awesome. So that's it for us. But of course, right before I go, I gotta ask you a few questions. I gotta do a check-in, right? Perfect. All right. So what was the pattern for most of the problems that we worked with today? We were all taking away 9, right? We had like 14 minus 9 or 17 minus 9. We were all taking away 9, right? Beautiful. All right, in our last equation that had 2 parts, how are those 2 number sentences related? Let me write them out again. 9 plus 5 and 14 minus 9. How are they related? Remember what we just talked about? They're related because 9 plus 5, our total is 14, and it's on this side of the equation symbol. I mean, sorry, the equal symbol. But here, it's on this side. So what is this answer going to be? 5. So what if I did something a little easier? What if I did 5 plus 5 equals 10? What's 10 minus 5? 5, right? It's the same Deal. Awesome. So you guys did so well today. I'm so proud of you. So that is it for me. You guys did great. I'm so excited to talk math with you next time I see you. I hope it's very soon. Have a good day, guys.